Assalamu alaikum. Before starting my class, I want to introduce myself. I am Mohammad Shafiur Rahman, Assistant Teacher English, Pagal Dewan Siddiqui Fazil Madrasa, Amrad Nauga. Hi, my dear student, how are you? I think you are very well by the mercy of Allah and stayed at home. Since this is the lockdown period for the students and government has closed all the schools for the students, for the betterment of the students and for COVID-19. And so we have to take this online class here. As a part of this online class, now I am going to take your English class today. Today I want to discuss about degree. This is a very important part also of changing sentence. So let's discuss about degree. So for this you have to take preparation with pen and papers for writing some clue and notes. So take preparation and follow this. We have to write first degree on board, top of the paper. The meaning of degree in Bangla may be matra, dhav, tuluna, etc. We can measure our degree of temperature of fever by a tiny instrument named thermometer, you know. We can measure how degree temperature have in our body by the scale of thermometer. The scale how degree temperature have in your body in the scale of thermometer. Here we can see the use of degree also. But today we want to discuss about the comparison of adjective, especially comparison of degree. You know, degree is actually one kind of adjective. So let's discuss about degree. First we will discuss about the use of degree, especially the use of word of degree. So let's discuss. First you have to know how many kind of degree. We know that there are three kinds of degree, especially degree may be divided into three classes. Degree may be divided into three classes. In most way in Bangla, you may be said, degree ke teen bhage bhag kora jay. So you have to write first success. That is to say, jotha number 1, positive, number 2, comparative, and number 3, superlative. So there are three kinds of degree. First one is positive, number 2 comparative, and number 3 superlative. For the use of degree, for the use of word of degree, we have to define more clear. So you have to write also now you can write the first point positive and in the middle point comparative and the last point superlative. Now underline. Already I have said that degree is one kind of adjective. So you have to find out or you have to choose an adjective word for compare from positive to comparative to superlative. So now you have to find out or choose an adjective word. Suppose I want to take a word, suppose strong. Strong. This is an adjective. This is positive degree. But if you want to make it comparative degree, you have to use ER. Especially you have to write, you have to plus or you have to add ER, the later part of the positive degree. So we should write strong ER, stronger. And in the case of superlative, you have to add EST with the word of positive. So now we have to write strongest. Then first positive one is strong and we have already added ER, stronger for comparative, and in strongest EST we have added EST for the superlative. So strong, stronger and strongest, positive, comparative and superlative. If you know the meaning of this degree, the word of the meaning of this degree, the meaning would be like this. Strong, you know that the meaning of strong শক্তিশালী. But if you want to know the meaning of stronger, it may be অধিক শক্তিশালী. And the meaning of superlative, strongest, would be সবচেয়ে বেশি শক্তিশালী. Then strong means শক্তিশালী, then comparative meaning stronger, meaning অধিক শক্তিশালী, and the meaning of superlative strongest mean সবচেয়ে বেশি শক্তিশালী. By comparison in Bangla we can say আমরা তিন ভাবে ডিগ্রিকে ভাগ করতে পারি, কি শক্তিশালী, অধিক শক্তিশালী এবং সবচেয়ে বেশি শক্তিশালী. We can use all the adjective in these three format. Suppose we can take another word, weak. You know the meaning of weak? দুর্বল. And in the case of comparative, you have to write weak plus er, weaker. অধিক দুর্বল. And in the case of superlative, weakest. Weak plus est, weakest. সবচেয়ে বেশি দুর্বল. The same way, we can take lots of words, thousands of adjectives. We can transfer from positive to comparative and superlative. By this way, you have to add er for comparative and you have to add est for superlative. Let's write more one or two words. Tall, taller, tallest, small, smaller, smallest. By this way, you can transfer from positive to comparative and superlative. But you know that everything have some exceptional side. Here is have some exceptional side, exceptional word. You know that exceptional mean in Bangla Batikrом. Here is a Batikrом exceptional word, good. You can't use or add er. That is to say, you can't use good, gooder, goodest, because this is exceptional. You can't use good, gooder, goodest. You have to use good, better. And in the case of superlative, best. The same way, another exceptional, bad. And in the case of comparative, worse. And in the case of superlative, worst. These are the exceptional words. These are the comparison or definition of words of degree. We have also definition of words of degree. Let's discuss about it. I have discussed and written some words, but in the words there are only one syllable. You follow? There have only one syllable. But if there have two or three or more than one syllable, what should be written? What should be done? In this case, you have to write more before comparative and most before superlative. You can't write er or ust, especially in the case of multiple syllable, especially 2 or 3 syllable. Look at this. Suppose a word beautiful. Have you looked? The word beautiful. Can you imagine how many kind of syllable here? How many kind of syllable have here? I think there are 3 syllable here. Beautiful. In বাংলায় 3টি ধাক্কা রয়েছে, 3টি syllable রয়েছে. If there have more than one syllable in a word, you have to use in the case of comparative more before that comparative degree and most before that superlative degree. Suppose such as beautiful for positive, more beautiful for comparative, and most beautiful for superlative. You can't use beautiful, beautifuler, beautifulest because there are 2 or 3 syllable here. There are 3 syllable here. If there have 1 syllable, you can add or use est. If there have more than 1 syllable, you have to use in the case of comparative more beautiful and in the case of superlative most beautiful. The same way you can take another word, active. Can you imagine how many kind of syllable here? Active. I think there are 2 syllable here. So you can't write active or activist. You have to write more active, most active. Suppose comparative. The word comparative, 2 or 3 syllable here, so you have to use more comparative. And in the case of superlative, most. Have you understood? These are the definition of words of degree. Now we will discuss about the definition of sentence of degree, that how can we make a sentence of degree 1 degree to another. Let's discuss. At first, we want to compare with superlative to positive. So you have to write, and write now on our papers, superlative to positive. For making superlative degree, for making positive degree from superlative, there are only 2 rules here. So you have to write these 2 rules. Rules number 1, first you can make a sign star as a rules. First rules is no other plus no other plus degree এর পরের অংশ plus verb plus no other. So oblique as plus degree এর positive form plus as plus subject. These are the first rules of positive for making positive degree from superlative. Hello sir, 5 মিনিট আছে না 5 মিনিট গেছে মাত্র 5 মিনিট আছে আর সময় শেষ My dear student, I want to give an example here. Suppose we want to write a superlative degree. This is superlative degree. The sentence is here. The Padma is the biggest river in our country. Do you know where is the degree here in the sentence? This is the degree. Especially after subject and verb. After subject and verb, you can find the degree. This is biggest. You know that if the article must be used before the superlative degree. So, and we can find another way. EST, the later part of this word. So this is superlative degree. And how can we make it positive? Already there is a rules here on the top of this sentence. So we can mess with the rules, the sentence. So what should be done? What should we write? We have to write first, no other, in the case of positive. First, you have to write no other plus degree পরের অংশ ডিগ্রির পরের অংশ river in the country, river in our country, no other river in our country. Now you have to write no other degree পরের অংশ. Now verb, here is the verb, no other river in our country is. Now you have to write so or as. We can write so. Now you have to write degree or positive form. Can you say the degree of the positive form of this degree? Biggest. What should be? Big. Big is the positive, big are comparative, and biggest superlative. So we should be written big. So big as, and then finally subject. The subject was the Padma. My dear student, this is the system for making one degree to another, especially from positive, superlative to positive, and there are also have some important rules, but time is very limited and already time has expired, so nothing to do. I have to finish my class in this moment. So please stay at home and study attentively, and best of luck. Allah Hafiz. Bhalo থাকো সবাই।